Social media. Social media.
Come again.
2 times.
Social media.
So cheap, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Again, the last one.
Humbug. Humbug.
How am I?
타자본 대누이 타자본 abdu muyamba nyari maraikala hawe ekiko dano siselo tajabon denui tajabon
1, 2, 3, here we go. 58, 7, 6, 5,
Speed
4. Speed governor. Let it go.
네.
1,
Hey.
50.
그래. 그래. Modeling. Step by time. Hey. Hey. Chapa chapa. Whoa.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
Oh.
One more time.
Yeah.
One more time.
Oh.
One more. Hey.
Hey.
29, 8, 7, 2. Let's go. 19, 18, 17, 17. One more. Toraguran. Toraguran. 12, 11, 8, 7. Okay! KGL! Vipi mambo vipi mumezereza chalizile komeze fresh sana kama kawa. Kety in the building.
Me in the building.
Emmalito in the building.
Yeah.
DJ Stana ako tayari kama kawa. Ikiganiro ni chapa chapa, leo tutawachapa, tutajibamba.
Chapa and chapalizo and bambalizo and bambano.
Ewan.
Hey.
Leo tutajipaka ni kujipaka leo umeona?
Naona.
Kujipaka leo.
Mimi nachibabale.
Na Stana amejipaka leo, angalia matimba hapa.
Yes, ama utifunze.
Lakini mimi nimejipaka leo kwa made in Rwanda bro.
Nakuona sasa. Nakaona. Ni kanini, ni kawapi? Tutoshe Swahili basi.
Tutoshe Swahili.
Tuendelee na
lugha ya Kinyarwanda.
Na Kinyarwanda na
nini?
Na Hindia. Na Kirundi. Turabasuze cyane mwebwe aho muri hose, amajyaruguru, amajyepfo, iburasirazuba, iburengerazuba n'umujyi wa Kigali. Tubabwira muti mumeze gute. This is Friday.
Kuri YouTube right now. Bari live bari mu bintu byo hanze. Hose tudushaka kugira ngo umuntu ntabwo kuko ufite internet. You can watch us on YouTube live.
Yes, and
andika tu watch
Instagram.
Chapa chapa.
Bashobora no kuza kutwandikira kuri iyo nimero iri hasi ya WhatsApp katubwira ngo Friday yawe imeze gute, bimeze gute, uratubona gute.
Ibintu bimeze gute ubundi turasohokera he kwasi turajye no mu bintu byinshi
turarya turarya ko nago tunywa turarya
Astana nakore geste
turarya cyangwa tutakula leo tutajibamba ni kujipaka le shamba uyu munsi no kubyina nk'uwibyinira
ara unigeze kumbaza ariko Emmalito ngo wereketse ko mukuru uvuga ngo kujipaka le ngo bimenyeshe ubundi kwipakara no kwishyira ku cyangwe mu buryo bwose bushoboka ukikuba ukagira fresher ukagira ukuntu noneho ukubita ibintu bya
wese nibyo twagiye Emma akoze twagiye
Ubikanze iki?
none se ngo uhagarikishijwe n'iki
uravuze ngo
alo twagiye mba nizeye ko nta muntu byumvise
ya
Yeah.
sasa rero urumva imyipakaro ni yose murabona hano yebana setup ibintu byose twabiteguye ibintu bimeze fresh
kabisa
sana.
kabisa
Chapa chapa leo
tuba
ni
turi
kuchapa.
gucapa mumeze mute mwebwe mutwandikire kuri whatsapp mutubwire how is your friday munaduhamagare tubapatie kalinye sasa kandi
Ndio, utanipatia linye leo.
leo nani hii
Utanipatia linye.
nani hii
Asi, biri si Imana ki urasohoka mu munsi.
nje nukuri pe turari
Fresh.
Ega nari biryanjye
Undi wowe urasobanutse.
undi
Uko
nari
nyine.
biryanjye
Ariko tu nta kibazo.
ntacyo bitwaye
Aha, reka rero sasa tubwire ngo twege turi tayari. Ubwo ubwo nicyo tubigenza twanje digesta n'amazi dushyira muri mudu twaza turakubita umuziki umera neza fresh natwe turavuga tuti kabisa leo ni kugipaka leo.
umva n'umuntu uri muri saro ahaguruke nuri hehe mbese urabona ko
abantu badukurikiye hariya muri umva message muri bari kuri iyo nimero ya screen zanyu turaza kuzisoma tureba abantu turi kumwe nabo.
nimero ni 0788 141 Emma ntagabona ndabizi niyo mpamvu mba mbibafashijemo mazisome nubwo nzivuze soma ziriya nimero
8
murakoze yo abantu badukurikiye bari muri leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika badukurikiye on YouTube turabasuje cyane abari Paris turabasuje cyane tubafite oui j'aimerais que c'est Emmalito qui commence avec le français.
Pourquoi?
Parce que c'est ce que je veux.
Je pense que ladies first, that's correct.
Ok, thank you.
Mais si tu parles, j'écoute.
Si quoi?
Je disais que si tu parles, j'écoute.
Ok, j'aimerais bien remercier tout le monde qui nous suit dans ce moment. Et vraiment, vous êtes sur nos cœurs. Et on vous aime tellement, beaucoup, trop. Ok, on vous aime. Maintenant, c'est le tour de Emma. Est-ce que tu peux dire quelque chose?
Ariko uzi ikintu cyeshimisha. Hari ukuntu umuntu avuga ibintu ukabona arabifiliye. On vous aime. Non, avec le
on vous aime, voilà, l'amour est là. Chapa chapa, on parle tout le langue, on parle français, anglais, Kinyarwanda, Swahili.
Tu vas chaque chose tout tayari.
Oui, mais en français, s'il te plaît. Français.
Je peux parler français. Si tu parles, j'écoute. Je pense que tu veux essayer de parler français. Tu veux essayer? On commence?
Ok.
Dis-moi la vérité. On commence? On y va. Ah, ni mara. Reka ngurabari. Ndayo kana ubona ruri watu bengi hano ko kuri
umva hano twatwipakaye.
Okay. Reka dere ko ufite microphone. Hano ladies, twe dufite uburinganire, ladies and gents are they are always the same. We are
yeah, ladies first. Now
Why?
kandi niyo mpamvu bya bindi bihora bigupfana mbese buriya byakunda
usoreza introduction igiye kuri music
defender ako uriya niwe wakoze defense
what
wakoze defense
I can see man mwana ngoli mwana Uganda oba
okay
so mutajye mutwibwira abantu benshi ahaburiye ugiye kuvuga umuntu hari ibintu ushobora kuvuga n'ibigwi byinshi ariko turaza kujya muri kariyeri yabo wenda tubwire n'impamvu dufite abatumirwa muraza kumenya byinshi kuri bo gusa reka banatajye wenda twibwira duhereye kuri
njyewe okay
yego
so baranyita Zion Suleiman
Suleiman
yeah
tagira twibwira Suleiman ni umuntu ki
yeah so Suleiman no muntu akunda filime ni ingaragu
uramuzi
ya ni ingaragu n'umuntu akunda sinema n'umuntu aracyayiga amashuri kandi n'umuntu akunda guseka byaba bikenewe
okay twagiye twakomeje
amazina yanjye ni Gihozo Nshuti Mireye
igereza microphone tumeze neza.
Amazina yanjye ni Igihozo Nshuti Mireille, nkaba ndi umukinnyi wa filime cyangwa umwacteur.
Uri umu acteur.
Actrice. Wow. Mireille.
Okay. Hanyuma rero tujye kugaruka gatoya kuri cinema. Murashaka kwibaza uti ese ko iki how tutarajya kuri ubundi acting. I want you guys, before we do anything, right? I want to hear from you. Take an example. No, you. Wait.
Mimi, kuri muradukwe.
Emmalito is your darling.
Ako Emma.
Wait,
Na nuga
moment.
profit. Nugu profit. Usiko kitavuze DJ Stano nabo turi kumwana.
Ketarafushye.
Nta byo gufuwa ariko nyine twagiye.
Okay. You act as like you are asking me to forgive you. Something happened, and you feel like you want Emmalito to come back, but she's like somehow annoyed, worried, and he's like, no, I can't. Me, I'll be like pretending as if I'm not really interested.
Yeah.
Are you the director? Let me.
Yeah, he
of
is.
course, you can see. Yeah. I like the professionalism in you guys. Let's go.
Action.
Please.
What?
Okay, yeah. Ntabwo ari nk'ukuri kubikeka. Please.
Kirishwe cyane.
Please. Okay, twari duturanye nta kindi.
What do you mean?
Yeah, okay, wenda. Ibyo waketse ntabwo aribyo nshaka kukubwira. Please, I beg you.
Urambwira ngo ugere cyitse ntabwo ibyo kandi nabonye ko ufite na message mwandikirana.
No, nyine ziriya message ntabwo. I beg you.
Leave me alone.
Really?
Yeah, that's the choice you made.
I say I'm sorry.
Wabikoze ubishaka.
Cut.
Thank you.
No.
That's what I was expecting.
Tears gonna come and be like, hey,
Maybe it's not because maybe I think maybe it was you. Yeah, let's do.
Okay, wow.
Okay, can of course if you're a director is like a coach.
Exactly.
So that means that
'Cause
you've
he's
been playing
directing,
football
so.
before and you decided even to become even a coach of a team. So act as if you're dating that lady.
Oh God.
It's like kwagira ngo noroso yabyukaga that when you say yeah.
Yeah.
you wanna be dated?
Yeah, of course. No, ask. Do
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Action.
So you want me to date her, right?
Yeah. Whichever the language you can use is fine.
Uganda.
Even
Kawa.
Uganda.
Kawa.
Uzo move matofayo.
No problem. Even kumuvuma, no one will notice.
That's even her. She can't notice.
Okay.
Are you
okay.
sure? Let's go.
So, I've been seeing you around since the first day. And in my mind, I think that you're really amazing.
Oh, really?
Has your mama ever told you that you're beautiful?
Of course, my mom, yes. Only
Yeah. I mean, mothers, even you're not beautiful, they'll tell that you're beautiful.
Okay.
But I'm going to say that you're really beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
And I like your eyes. I like your hair.
Cut. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. This is what I have seen.
Wow.
It seems like Kate was like, oh my gosh, I feel these guys. Oh. You would have said that. Okay.
Nta kintu mvuze. Nta kintu mbivuzeho. Yeah. Anyway,
Okay,
nice.
We will finish. Let's not show them behind.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That's true.
Mhm.
Aha. reka banze ngaruke ku bantu barimo kudukurikira. Everyone who is watching Chapa Chapa live right now. I've seen my brother Manyange saying, Emmalito and Kety, I'm watching the show Chapa Chapa, iko juu sana. Naona DJ anagusha kabisa. DJ uko tayari? Ati noma sana kabisa, play for me finger ethics. Figure ethics. You have it. DJ ako tayari. Manyange ako tayari DJ. Lazima chenye nataka kutapata. Ubwo okay, yashakaga ni nameless. Hari abantu bagiye bandika message, hari umuntu uvuze ati ni Ernest hano Kimironko, gusa mwijie neza muri Chapa Chapa kabisa. Kety ku kifungo aba yateguye kisirimu ukuntu.
Ninjiye muri Chapa Chapa ni
bariho abari tayari kama kawa.
Akwema ibintu bya kama kawa nawe.
None ndiko bimeze.
Siko sigavuga kama ubundi se ni ibiki.
Twagiye kwa abantu kanavuze kuzindimi.
Sasa lakini uendelee.
Lakini wapi? I met somebody who's a stepmother around my village, and she was a very good woman. In her words, she was trying to take care of the stepchildren, loving them so much, sacrificing everything for them. But because she has this name stepmother, right? So it kept the children's like, no, she doesn't love us. She's a stepmother. She's ABCD. So that's how actually I was motivated to write this film. Wow. So in the film, it shows a stepmother who is Barbara, who is trying to do everything for the stepchildren, who can even sacrifice herself just to save the other step, the children that actually didn't give birth to. And so this is something I want to tell to the people that being the name stepmother itself sounds different and so dangerous, but doesn't mean that whoever that is called a stepmother is really dangerous.
That's true.
Yeah.
Magambo makeya birumvikana akenshi dufata abo twita mukadata. Mukase w'umuntu cyangwa se mukadata, ugatangira gutekereza ko ari umuntu mubi cyangwa se ugatangira gutekereza ko ari umuntu udashobotse. So icyo yashakaga kugira ngo agaragaze muri video, yashaka kwerekana yuko rimwe na rimwe hari igihe umubyeyi ashobora kwera umubyeyi bitewe n'uwo ari wese. Utangiye kuvuga ngo ni Mukaso, atanga urugero rwiza rw'uyu nguyu avuga ati yari umuntu umukase w'abana ariko ari we nabogera neza kandi abereka urugero rwiza. Na byiza kandi ko tumenya wa mugani yuko abantu ntitukabafate uko kind of judging.
Du genre usanga abantu benshi kuko deja mu mutwe we harimo ko ni mukadata cyangwa mukase, so ugasanga kuko warangije kubyishira mu mutwe niyo yagukorera ibintu byiza ntago ubibona. So you guys should remove all that in your heads. Yeah.
One question to Mileye. Maybe you can get a microphone. Tugire acting ni ikintu cyakujemo urumva yuko it's time for me to be an actress, sorry. Kuko hari ikintu impani kurimo kurya ukavuga ati I have to do this. Ukumva biragupushinga. Ariko hari ikintu kijyanye na passion cyangwa se na talent sinzi wowe bwawe kugira ngo ujye kumva wakina film byakoje mu buryo byakoje muri ryari niki cyakumotivates?
Ubusanzwe gukina film ni ikintu nakundaga kuva kera. Numvaga yuko niyo nakora kandi kazi ku ruhande ariko ngomba kugikora as my passion. Uko byagenda kose nakurikiye wenda ngo haravamo inyungu runaka cyangwa iki, ari ikintu ngomba gukora ko ngikunze. Nago navuga ngo binjemo umwaka ushize cyangwa ryari kuko byatangiye kera bindimo numva nzabikora, ahubwo ndavuga mbihigiye. Darindira mbanze mbone ese nabikorera hehe ku buryo bazamura ya mano yanjye cya kintu kindimo ku buryo nagikora neza uko ngishaka.
Hari ikintu ushaka kukubaza, njya nkunda kukibaza abactrice cyangwa abacteur benshi, usanga nka kuriya uba uri gukina amarangamutima akaza wenda ukaba wanarira. Hari igihe gigeze kukuba ariko noneho bivuye ibyo bita ku ndiba y'umutima, like hari ukuntu kini kintu ariko wenda kijyanye wenda n'ibintu waba warahuye nabyo se cyangwa nyine ukumva aya marira ntabwo arayo noneho gukina, that it's serious, bakanakatinga noneho ukaguma ukanarira cyangwa ugaseka cyangwa like byigeze bikubaho, hari habaye iki byari byagenze gute?
icyo kurira ntabwo cyambayeho
Yeah.
ariko icyo guseka cyo cyarabaye
Ego.
ndakomeza barakatinga bakaguhagarika bikanga ngakomeza
Okay, wow.
byari byagenze gute
Yarabiretse nari mwiboneye. Rero bigenze gute ku buryo wasetse ugakomereza ugaseka?
kuba turimo turakina filime ntabwo irasohoka ni high school yo bayita amatayo so ni sene bari bambwiye gukoramo ntabwo navuga kubera ko itarajya hanze nkomerezaho bajyaho bakatinga
iyo sene niyo yagusekeje
ibyo bambwiye gukoramo so narabikoze nkomerezaho
atari bya bindi byo bakubwiraga
byo kubyamza
harya ni
sibyo
ibi
twibutsa ko mimi hajya byari bigenze sibyo okay
sasa tugire mu kandi kanya keza cyane so guys before you leave we have a good tea that we want also to serve you. It's good we share the moments whether good or bad but we don't have bad moments. Tugira ibihe byiza tukavareka dusangire. So here we have it's kind of a funny thing but very interesting. Ni ibintu bishimishije cyane ni ibintu nyine you can enjoy it. Koko cyese niba hari ikindi mushaka kutubwira ku kijyanye na industry before
hari icyo mushaka kubwira nk'abakunzi banyu bakunda filime zanyu ako mimi amagambo atatu basi y'ingenzi nk'umuntu w'umuactrice wabwira umwana ushaka kuzamuka ushaka gukina ukamubwira vraiment ugende kuri ibintu
kureba akavuga ati I wish I can be like Milene.
Only three things.
Hari ikintu abantu bajya bibeshyaho cyane cyane nk'ababyeyi iyo bareba zira film bakumva yuko ikintu wakozemo koko kiririyo cyangwa kumva yuko wa mu character wakinnye ari wowe koko cyangwa ushaka kumwigamo cyangwa ushaka kujya muri wa muco. Hari ikintu nshaka kuba nabwira ababyeyi ho gato nuko muri film naho habamo message yigisha, ntabwo ari mu ndirimbo gusa, ntabwo ari muri ayandi magambo ari yose, na film habamo inyigisho. Ntabwo tuba tubikora ko biturimo, ahubwo tuba tubikora kugira ngo twigishe abandi bari hanze. So bareka abana bashaka kubikora babo bakabijyamo
babangamira. Cya kabiri. Okay, it's okay. Like ibindi bibiri, let's leave for
we have
no Emma twe tutararangiza.
Okay.
The two things.
I would just say that we love you, the audience. We love the TVs that are really supporting our industry and our projects. I want to tell to the Rwandans that we love you, and when we make a movie in Rwanda, we are making it for you.
That's great.
So we need your support to like our movies. We need your support, we as young filmmakers, to feel loved in the community. And by that, you'll be motivating us, and we'll be able to teach or to give real content outside the country that everybody will be proud of.
That's great.
Yeah.
So we have a good, we told you that we want to share to you, right?
Yeah.
So let's start from...
It's called Read My Lips.
Read My Lips.
Read My Lips.
Yeah.
So you can read my lips, right? You can see what I'm talking, and you do what? Put it on. It's fine.
Mimi uraza kureba iminwa ya Emma.
Nashaka kutubeshya n'imisatsi.
Imisatsi
katubeshya.
Okay.
So arashiramo indirimbo ku buryo udashobora kumva icyo ari kuvuga, ariko uragerageza gusoma iminwa ye icyo iri kuvuga. Oya barabishira muri écouteur, hanyuma wowe uraba concentré ku munwa we. Ego. Icyo ari kuvuga.
Sounds like a good game, not for me.
Like a game. You're good?
Uravuga yego cyangwa oya. Mu mugabanyirizo tubanze tubisobanurire neza.
Uraza kureba. Turakubaza ibibazo. Noneho uravuga ngo yego oya. Niwemera uvuga yes. If you say no, uvuga no.
Ku kibazo urambajije.
Ku kibazo nikubaza. Okay, here we go. What's your name? Sulaiman. Ukunda Sulaiman?
No. Okay. Okay.
No, it's okay. Let's go. Read my lips. Okay, let's. No. Put it on.
You're cheating.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah,
game.
you're
You don't have to reason anything. Yeah, she said no. I'm so sorry, but it's okay.
Here we go. Abadukurikiye mwumve neza. Ikibazo cya kabiri. Tujya kujya ku kibazo cya kabiri. Turaza kubwira uko abisubije. Ntabwo wisize makeup. Ntabwo wisize makeup.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Sasa ugiye kuvuga ijambo urisubiremo. Wowe uwemere kumbaza rimwe cyangwa se waba utabyumvishe ukavuga ngo repeat again for the second time.
Yeah.
Only the second time. So uhita uvuga uti you've said this.
Eh.
Umusatsi. Umusatsi.
Oh yeah,
Umusatsi.
oh God.
Say whatever you've had. No, it's not. You have to read my. Okay, let me
Nabonye
say.
iminwa igenda gusa.
No, ugomba kureba ukavuga uti avuze iki.
yikurikirane.
Yeah. Okay, we go. Umusatsi. Umusatsi. Okay, go. Say it the way you want. Wumvishe mvuze gutya. Vuga ijambo ryose.
Ni ukuri.
Oya.
No, urumva ugomba gusoma. Niba mvuze.
Ndi kubona.
Ndi kubasha
kubisoma.
Mimi, mva ni ukuvuga ngo bakonsantre sibyo niba mvuze ngo umwana you see ushobora kubisoma ukavuga mvuze umwana like nubwo utaba ari byo mvuze ariko uvuga icyo wabonye ku munwa sibyo.
Let's go. Umutima.
Sinzi niba nabishaka gusoma bivuga umutima.
Good, you see?
See? What's easy?
So let's go. The last one. No, wait.
The last one.
The last one. Amatara.
Ayo basoma.
Amatara. Okay.
Look at the lips.
What have you had?
Amakuru.
Amakuru. Good.
Sibona. Urukundo byawe byoroshye.
Let me hope that you're not going to act like her. Oh yeah, she's the one. She's the one who's going to ask us.
She said ladies first, right?
No.
No. Don't cheat.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I've got English, so I'm going to
Turavuga mu
ask
Cyongereza.
English.
We're going to use English.
Okay, no problem. I got it. Please be nice to me, right?
Yes. Are you gay?
Okay.
Are you gay? Are you gay? Yes.
You have to answer yes or no.
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay, that was the first question.
No, ask the question.
Again, okay.
Okay.
Are you gay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay.
You have to say we don't
Yes
want other
or
words.
no?
Say yes or no.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
You can even ask the same question.
Are you gay? Are you gay?
No.
Good. You see? You're good. Let's
Okay.
go. Another question.
Do you cheat? Do you cheat? Nah.
It's only two.
Two
Come on.
times.
It's only 2 times.
Okay, 2 times
Okay.
only.
This is the last one. This is the last one.
Okay.
Do you cheat?
Again.
No, not again. No.
Uh-huh.
Yes or no?
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So, she's going to say one word and you repeat it. Okay, let's go.
Okay, one word. Please, God, please.
Social media. Social media.
Come again.
2 times.
Social media.
So cheap, sir.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Again, the last one.
Humbug. Humbug.
How am I?
Okay,
That's
done.
amazing. Okay, good.
Was that
Thank you,
the real
guys.
thing?
The first question was like, twakubajije ngo. Do you remember the question?
I
question
remember the
was,
second word. The question was
Yeah, twakubajije ngo.
okay.
Do you love him? He said no.
no.
The second one.
Did you? What's the makeup?
What's the makeup? No. The word you said, we asked you, umutima, you said yes. Wow. So the first one, are you gay?
Are you gay? No,
No,
he's not.
I saw that.
I saw done.
I saw that.
You saw
You
that.
saw that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that.
The second one,
The second one was do you
do you
cheat?
cheat? Say
And you
no.
don't.
So
Say
the
no.
words were
The first one was social media.
social media. Say
Jesus
social
Christ.
must
And the second one was humbug.
Humbug.
And say,
How am I? That was good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, get a pen. You send for us as DJ started putting some music. Thank you so much for your time. We also appreciate your time, of course. Reka tubigenze. Urafata kano icyo urwana nako ni ukugira ngo aka kagaruke hejuru.
kaze kujya hejuru.
Okay. Hey guys,
Amategeko
you
n'amabwiriza
are
biba
ready?
bikurikizwa.
Let's go. 59. Hey. 59.
Yego.
58. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 50. 40. Let's go. Mugire fafa. Mugire fafa. Fafa. Turashaka kureba utanga undi. Tugire fafa.
Twatsinze 39 amasegonda aba 36.
Okay, let's go. Nane. Nabiri. Harabura amasegonda 30. Nagahe. Fafa. Let's go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. 23. 21. 20.
Twagiye
Torakura.
cika intege.
19. 17. 16.
Esha Emma
16.
turabatsinze.
14. Oya, sinabwo twemewe.
Oya.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. Ende atwati. Ayitutwaye kangahe? Nice. Oya, reka tuvuge uko sizesi. Ikigaragara nuko niyo yatwara tubiri uyu nguyu
Niyo twakongeraho tuno tubiri.
ariko none amasegonda yabananiye. Ndashaka jewe kuko dufite ibihembo turashaka umuntu ushobora ariya amasegonda. Nuvuga ngo yaburaga kamwe. Uwo niwe dushaka. Ninde? Ngo tujye ku bakobwa sasa.
Ladies. Ntimpunenguye.
Aba bakobwa babiri. Mukurikire noneho tugiye gufana nyagufana. Urafana hehe?
No gufana
Wowe urafana
byanya.
hehe? Ngwino hano. Urafana ubwo nawe urafana aho ngaho. So, mwebwe batatu murafana uyu nguyu, mwebwe babiri murafana uyu, namwe murafana. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 58. Kamwe 57.
Courage.
Let it go.
Yewe dutsinze.
Let it go. Ntabwo gushyira ku ndabyemewe.
Twagiye.
Okay. 43. Let's go. Let's go.
Twagiye.
Away.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oya genda kugafata.
Ngenda ugafata. Ntabwo byemewe. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, no. Let's go. There we go. One more time. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Okay. This team ariko rero buretse gatoya aya abangaba murasubiramo
ariko rero mwe mwamwibye
wakamutoreye ariko akangaka kasigaye sasa rero tugiye kubisubizamo
kubera ko banganyije
mwanganyije
hanyuma nikagwa
no mugerageze amasegonda 59
okay niyo kagwa hare no uzanyuza kujya kugafata
reka tubagabanyirize basi koraho tubiri mugerageze tubone amasegonda 59 muyageze vavu. Are you guys ready? Aya witwiba. Okay, 1 2 3 here we go. 58 7 6 5
speed governor
4 speed governor let it go 1 50
modeling step by time hey hey chapa chapa whoa
let's go let's go
hey.
let's go let's go one more time one more time one more next 39 8 7 19 18 17 Taraguran 12 11 8 7
wow
the winning team.
I'm over way. Needing friends, and the way I be you now, I guess I'll be with you to the end. Yes, I'm over way. Mighty great you stay. Stuck on you, been left for too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty great you stay. Oh, breathing on that I mean right straight tomorrow. And I know just where I'm going. I back in my tribe and die from them all away. Cause this time read to tarry, I'm gonna long to stay. I'm stuck on you. Got this waiting down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Mighty great you stay.
Really
So good, so good.
I could be your guide, I could be Darita, we got to Jakumurongo. I could be your vodka, gentle heritage. You don't have to worry, girl, I'm looking for your love. Don't even think about it, I've been there before. I wanna give you rights and to take over the city. Get you here in many call you coming for the money. Take it easy, don't complicate it. Before the simple mommy, take time to rush it. Guy, you know me, they will be controlling. So whatever you like, you can stay up to the morning. Still love her, you're the only one. Pick up the phone, just say hi, still love her. I wanna look at you, baby, Kitogo, Katerina. One more time, say yeah. So whatever you say, she's my new lover. I deserve her. I wanna look at you, baby, Kitogo, Katerina. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So whatever you say, she's my new lover. I deserve her. I could be your guide, I could be Darita, we got to Jakumurongo. I could be your vodka, get a holiday. You don't have to worry, girl, I'm looking for your love. I could be your instructor, I could be your guide, I could be the leader, we go to the Kumurogo. I could be your vodka, get a holiday. You don't have to worry, girl, I'm looking for your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh God, oh God. Shamba. Ko wigenje. Emma. Ibyo bavuga ngo ibiremwa bitangaje. Se tuvuga iki se?
Young
Warenza hiki?
but talented.
Eh?
Young and talented.
This is too much.
Umwana ari
Ararens.
kuririmba
Oh, God.
ijwi ari gitari arayoka.
Cyane. None afite kuna mixinga n'indirimbo. Oh.
Banze babwira badukurikiye.
Yeah, natwibwire.
Murakoze abadukurikiye mwese ndabasuhuje. Nitwa Claude Nihogoza, niyo mazina niswe n'ababyeyi. Izina ry'ubuhanzi nitwa Kety. Nishimiye kuza mu kiganiro Chapa Chapa.
Wow, nice. Kety.
Karame.
Uririmba neza by the way. Ewan, uri talented kabisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Jera ndumva wa shaka kandi karirimbo. Hari ubwo abantu baba nakumbuye bw'uburirimbo kurugushura abantu wumva kwese kwa
cyane.
Indirimbo ngiye kuririmba ndashaka none nanjye kubarimbira yanjye.
Yeah, let's go, it's fine. Wherever you sing indirimbo z'abandi warimbiza icyo dushaka dutarame twishime gusa ikigaragara nuko impano yifite. Iyo ngiyo ugiye kuririmba ni yawe.
Yani yanjye.
Let's go.
Indirimbo ngiye kuririmba yitwa uramenye. Ni yanjye nanditse ariko nagerageje muri studio ariko ni yanjye.
Okay.
Mwana wanjye dore iminsi nsigaje ni mikeya, uyu murage nkuraze uzawurage nabuzibaruka. Uramenye ko ikinyabupfura ari cyo kizatuma utsinda, urasobanukirwa iyo uva asa kuyobora iyo ujya. Uramenye ntuzasiga inkuru mbi mu nzozi. Uramenye mwana wanjye urumva izi mpanuro, kuba bizatuma wubahwa, gukenga bizatuma uramba, gukora bizatuma uramuka. Uramenye ntuzasiga inkuru mbi mu nzozi. Uramenye mwana wanjye urumva izi mpanuro, kuba bizatuma wubahwa, gukenga bizatuma uramba, gukora bizatuma uramuka. Uramenye ntuzasiga inkuru mbi mu nzozi. Namukuru tetamena ifu icyubi by'uno munsi nicyo uzasarura ejo. Wiringira ijosi rikakubyarira umwingo, urizere hari kuza cyenge. Uribuke kirya mukuru ritinda ariko nirihere, inama z'abakuru ziza guherekeze. Ntiwibagirwe Imana usaba ubusa ubwenge. Uramenye ntuzasiga inkuru mbi mu nzozi. Uramenye mwana wanjye urumva izi mpanuro, kuba bizatuma wubahwa, gukenga bizatuma uramba, gukora bizatuma uramuka. Uramenye ntuzasige inkuru mbi mu nzozi.
Emmalito umvireho.
Nukuri numvishe.
Urakoze.
Ngiye kuririmba indirimbo yindi ya Lewis Capaldi. Someone you loved.
Mwese gato tarayimba gufasha gutya mwereka gato. Okay. Abantu badukurikiye wenda bashobora kumva ubwiza bw'indirimbo n'iki umvisha amagambo akoresha. Wiringira ijosi ukagira gute bikaguha umwiko,
bikakubyarira umwingo.
Sorry. Umwingo urawuzi? namuretse gato urawuzi
Ndawuzi.
sana n'insango z'umwingo
Umwingo.
kofi yanjye irembeze
Ngenda ahubwo si rusi n'umwingo buriya bihurira he?
n'insango z'umwingo umwingo ni iki
Njye ariko umwingo ndawuzi by the way.
umwingo ni iki
Mbese si ibikoresho bakoreshaga. Yewe data we.
umwingo ni ibikoresho bakoreshaga kera
Anyway, ntabwo ari byo nari mvuze. N'ijosi.
umwingo ni iki niri
Ibijyanye n'umunyarwara mwijosi. Gute rigoyita bati.
Costa, wajya umva pesaneza cyagiraga gutya gusa.
Kety umwingo ni ibyo bikoresho bakoreshaga.
Oya ariko hari ibikoresho kera bakoreshaga n'ukuri birimo ayo mazina.
Bashaka kuvuga umwiko.
ari kuvuga umwiko.
Imana avuga umwiko.
Njye nari numvise umwiko.
Aha kandi uvuze ngo nta mukuru utobifu.
Uteta ameneka.
Nta mukuru uteta ameneka. Okay. Mutwemerere igihe kirasa nkaho kitujyanye. Ibyiza byari byinshi twagomba kwishima tukanezerwa. Digisitana turaza gukomezanya hano duhereza umuziki gusa tutarasoza. Reka tugusabe udushyire muri mood ngira ushatse kugira icyo uvuga. Twaguha umwanya akakanya kugira icyo uvuga cyane cyane kibwira abantu no kudukurikira.
Icyo navuga nta kindi ni ukubashimira. Kubashimira kuko hano ni muri kino kiganiro CHAPA CHAPA SHOW. Ikindi ni uko abadukurikiye mwese yenda ntabwo ndamenyekana cyane ntabwo baramenya ari benshi ariko nicyo nshaka nicyo mparanira bitewe na message nshaka gutanga mu ndirimbo zanjye kuko umwihariko w'indirimbo zanjye cyangwa se unique ya music yanjye nshaka kujya nkora indirimbo zifite message so nirengagize mu ngeri zose zitandukanye indirimbo zose zigira message yaba iz'urukundo za zindi zose nyine zifite message zubaka sosiyete. Ikindi nitwa Skype kuri social media platform Instagram, YouTube hari video nyinshi si nyinshi cyane ariko narazaprodinze abazikeneye bajyaho bakareba. Hariho indirimbo imwe nakoze muri studio nayikoze kera size nk'imyaka
Samwirimba kapela gato nk'amasegonda make cyane.
Ndi kumwe nawe nta mubabaro n'agahinda yese tuba twayigeze yacu twenyine tumeze nk'abari muri paradizo turakundana cyane ese ibibazo byinshi ku rukundo rwacu ariko nyamara bikanabayobera niba bashaka kwiga bazaze tubigishe maze tubereke urukundo icyo ari cyo niba tureke twikundanire niba tureke twikundanire turakundana cyane ashimwe rugira abe baguhaze akagucira kwiza akaguhunga ubwiza mukobwa mwiza urwanya n'ibyifuzo byanjye ubu ndagukunda umutima wanjye waragutwaye sinabona na gato nahundi mukobwa wiwe ndagukunda.
Ndagukunda. Hanyuma rero
indirimbo yitwa
turakunda. Noneho dukorera mu nganzo kare barugiye kuturirimbira. Tara ziri hano. Tara iri hano. By the way, reminding you reka tunabibutse uretse gatoya. Reka tunabibutse yuko mu minsi igiye kuza hagiye kuzana na competition yitwa The Red Seat izajya kuwa gatanu. Ni ukuvuga ngo niba ufite impano posta icyumweru gitaha irasohoka niba ufite impano ITV irahari kugira ngo ikumenyekanishe umenye byinshi nawe ubwawe wamenyekanisha ibyo ufite nk'uko bivuze ati ndashaka kugira ngo ibyo ufite muri gihe mbisangize abadukurikiye. Ni ukuvuga The Red Seat, be ready. Registration is starting on Monday. So if you have a talent, you have to show it.
Any talent, ntabwo ari ukuririmba gusa ikintu cyose wakumva ko ariko urimo wumva uri talented waza tukagufasha.
Registration izatangira gusa wenda dushobora kutunyana na party imwe dushobora kutunyana no kuririmba ariko talent zose turagenda tuzigarukaho zose tuzireba. Okay, let's go.
I'm going under this time I feel there's no one to save me. This all or nothing, little go away, you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hate, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess you can't lock away, you know the pain. Now that they breathe into nightfall, and you know he took him for it all. He let my guard down, and then you pulled the love. I was getting kind of to be you someone you loved. I'm going down, but this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This road not really go the way you driving me crazy. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to hear, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess they can't act away, you know the pain. Not a day breathe into nightfall, and you know he took him for it all. He let my guard down, and then you pulled the lock. I was getting kind of used to be you someone you loved. Thank you.
uzi ko umuntu yatwarwa akagira ngo
igihe ni
ariwe
kibi.
wow
Igihe ni
Skype
kibi,
you are
mba
so
mwisabiye
talented
akaririmbo, ariko-
courage vraiment
Yeah,
kabisa ufite
perfect.
impano ntuzacike intege uzakomeze kabisa kandi umva ni ukuri pe ni byiza cyane ko biri kose
wayiririmba se?
ntabwo byabura
nawe mucyo wambabariye koko.
ni ndende cyane ushyira uririmba gatoya
타잡은 대누이 타잡은 abdu moyamba nyari maraikala awe ekiko dano siselo tajabon denui tajabon tajabon denui tajabon Ulay 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 ni ay manay kana ulay sikoda ichuke nanno sincero ulay mulila dagem turinga murira dagem woga aye tajabon denui tajabon tajabon denui tajabon denui tajabon tajabon denui tajabon one more time say yeah c'est tajabon denui tajabon
abari aho hose twarumiwe
No comment. No comment. No comment.
Skype
No comment.
Chapa
Yeah, like I said,
Chapa
chapa chapa.
Okay, wow,
Let me
yeah.
hope that you enjoyed the show.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you
this
so
is-
much for your
this was
time.
so
Thank you
amazing
for
and
so
perfect.
much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
Shanjye,
I'm
tuzamugabura
even blessed, by the way. True.
yeah I'm blessed too Kety uzemera kongera kwakira ubutumirwa bwacu hano wow
Yeah, thank you.
so
God
thank
bless.
you guys God bless mwakoze kudukurikirana mwakoze kubana natwe mwakoze kwenjoyinga ibyo twabateguriye amashuri ko mwenjoyinga
Wow, mufata kare agakaramu dusinyira hariya.
yeah
Hariya.
urasinya aho ushaka
Nushaka kwitwara gitari yawe ufate kare agakaramu tu.
ya tubashimira cyane byimazeyo mwakoze cyane kubana natwe hopefully ko mwese mwanjoyinze ikiganiro chapa chapa twabahereje utuntu twinshi cyane
So nice.
Yeah, that's
Fantastic.
nice. Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. Ni Kety ni
Emmalito.
kama kawaida.
Yeah.
Kazi. DJ Stana ako ndani.